If you are seeking the old Florida river lifestyle, this home has it all with a modern twist. This expansive floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and that's just the main home. There's also a 2-bedroom, 1-bath guest house and the river loft overlooking the Withlacoochee River. With 0 rental restrictions, this property has endless opportunities for not only an Airbnb, but also a vacation home. Now this is riverfront living with endless amenities and is truly where serenity meets the nature coast.